Hi, it's Doug talking about bunker gear drop-down list maintenance within the Fire Department online software. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's home page. Your home page will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available within the Fire Department online software. From the menu bar, click on Administration. Then click on the Bunker Gear button. On the Bunker Gear Maintenance home page, click on the drop-down list button. From the Bunker Gear drop-down Maintenance home page, you can select the Bunker Gear item drop-down you want to edit by selecting the Bunker Gear item name button. We will only be discussing the Bunker Gear Boots drop-down, as all the Bunker Gear drop-down lists are maintained in the same way. Since we will be working with the Boots drop-down list, we click on the Boots button. We now see the options available that will be presented to the firefighters when they are doing their bunker gear inspection reports for their boots. On the left of the hyphen is the name of the manufacturer, and to the right of the hyphen is the model. Let's update the boots entry by clicking on the Update button to the left of the entry. We receive a pop-up to enter the updated information. We will change the NA to Supreme and then click on the Update Manufacturer Model button. The pop-up disappears and we can see that our update has been applied. We will now delete a manufacturer model from the list by clicking on the Delete button to the right of the manufacturer model that we want to delete. A confirmation pop-up is presented to us. Since we are absolutely sure that we want to do the deletion, we click on the Delete Manufacturer button. The pop-up disappears and we can see that our deletion has been applied. For the record, the deletion is a soft delete, meaning that this manufacturer model will still be shown on the bunker gear inspection forms if the firefighter already selected that manufacturer model for their bunker gear. However, if a firefighter hadn't selected that manufacturer model, it will not be available for them to select it from the drop-down list. Let's now add a new manufacturer model by clicking on the Add Manufacturer Model button. We receive a pop-up to enter the new manufacturer model information. Once finished entering the new manufacturer model information, click on the Add Manufacturer button. The pop-up disappears and we can see that the first entry in the list is the new manufacturer model we just added. Now that we've added this new manufacturer model, we can see it is not in the correct order. Click on the Order Manufacturer Model button. We are presented with the list of all manufacturers' models in the order they would appear in the drop-down list. Now you can drag the manufacturer model you want to change to its new location. Once you are satisfied that the manufacturer model list is in the order you want it to be displayed in the drop-down list, click on the Save button. We receive a confirmation message stating the drop-down list was successfully sorted. Click on the Return button and we are presented once again with the maintenance listings for the drop-down list. We are currently looking at the bunker gear boots inspection form. The drop-down list that we have been discussing is now being shown to you. That concludes the video on bunker gear drop-down list maintenance from Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.